Morning, guys. It is April 27, 2021. So anyway, I got a call from a lady. She says water coming out the relief valve on the boiler. And sounds like I've worked for her before, but I'm not sure until I get there. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. Try to get you some shots. I got that tank valve off and I'm draining that tank down. Expansion tank. I did that last year I was here, I believe. And replaced the circulator. Flipping dog won't shut up. So, yeah, last year, drain expansion tank, no relief valve. Could be there's a tankless in here that might be bad. There's a tankless in here that's probably might be bad. Total. I'm going to drain that tank down and see what happens. If it continues to build pressure, I did change the feeder too. It's not that. The feeder's new. Relief valve's new. And the circulator's new. I'm draining this down. I took the plug out. There's a plug, there's a chute that goes up there with a plug. Shut this thing off. This thing was leaking like a sieve. I don't know. I might have to put a new valve in there. I'm not sure. Lady says she got a leaking oil tank too. Wants me to fix it. It's leaking right at the base there. She needs a new tank. Can't fix that. She painted it. And that's an old tank. Shut up, man. Right in the face, if that thing ever went off, that's no good. I think that thing's blocked. It's not working. Blocked with stuff. That's why it wasn't draining. The hole was blocked. Now it's sucking in there. That's why it didn't drain last time. She's draining now. Had some schmag in there. There's a tube that goes up all the way up to let that tank drain. That's why it didn't work. Yeah. looks a little crusty to me. I can even tighten it a little more. I guess so. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. That's better. That should be better. See, it's about 12 pounds. That's what we want. Drained expansion tank. Looks like there was some schmag in that vent pipe.